What's up, guys? I got a request from a friend to test this thing here because I was showing him my headlight, which is foggy. Yeah, see that? And he was like, dude, why don't you use something different? I have the turtle wax. I was gonna use that. There's the lemon and something, which is another thing that works. But they were talking about this here. It's not very expensive, and I think it should be pretty straightforward to use. 1, 2, 3 step, and then you open here. You see basically the same thing as you see on the other ones, but I think what is in those packages is the main thing. This is the clear coat, which is ceramic, and here you have the oxidation remover. I think, yeah, I don't know where it is. I mean, what it is, the oxidation remover, what that thing actually does. So I'm gonna read the manual real quick and come here. I'm not a matrix, it's just very quickly because I'm gonna pause the video. So first thing I'm doing is masking. I just want to mask just to be sure that I'm not gonna hit the car by accident. I'm just putting like painter's tape, because if I hit this with the sandpaper, even though it's 2,000 and 3,000 grit, it's not very abrasive. I don't want to deal with that later. So, alright, so this is the deal. There is it comes with this thing here, is a little piece of foam here, and there are 4 discs, 2 for each headlight. Red one is 2,000 and gray one is 3,000, which is thinner. So we're gonna use 2,000 first. Smells like bees. I'm gonna just put it in here. Yep, I need to get something to get the headlights wet. I'm gonna put this up there, and here we have this. We have 2 sets. This one set is for the other headlight. Manual says to do the both headlights same time. I don't understand why, but and here we should have 2 more. So one is for this headlight. I'm gonna separate, be sure I don't open it before the time. There you go. Step 3 and step 3. So we're not gonna worry about this step 3 right now. I'm gonna put up there, and we're gonna start with this one. Alright, so first step would be to wash it. So it's pretty washed. I'm gonna just wipe it off, be sure that doesn't have anything in there. And by the way, that squirter is my daughter's. So we got it. Now we gotta use the 4 towels. One thing they say to do, I'm not gonna put in the car, I'm gonna put on the floor just in case. I'm gonna get my gloves. The trash close by. And alright. They say keep rubbing until this here turns yellow, but it's already yellow, so don't get it. Oh, wow. Oh, their gloves is kind of cool. I mean, it's not those gloves I got like super bulky. So anyway, I'm gonna get this guy. It doesn't say no motion, no circular movements, and just be sure that it is wet. So the headlight should be all foggy at this point. If there is any spot that is shiny or clean, we need to do it again. So one little spot here that I see that I could have done better. So I'm just gonna be sure that it is good here also. So done with this. The orange one, I'm gonna, or red, whatever. And now I'm gonna use the 3000. So definitely this one put some scratches in there, and the 3000 is going to remove it. I'm gonna clean this here. Okay, so now it's all dry. The ceramic coating doesn't mix with water, so this got to be dry, and everything around it should be dry. So we need to be sure before we apply this, the headlight is super dry, and I hope I don't touch anywhere on the bottom or on the sides. But let's do it. Ooh, this is the important thing. Do not put more than one coat. Wow, it is strong. Okay, so I'm gonna go horizontally up and overlap 50%. That's what it says there. Oh. Wow. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna throw this on the trash, unfortunately. I wish I had cleaned the other one. Then I should be able to do it. They say don't put 2 coats. What I'm gonna try to do just for fun. Oh. Yeah. Oh, this smells like ammonia. Needs to be in well ventilated area. There you go. Woo. Dang. And there you go. Wow. There you go. Woo. Look at the difference. All right, this is a workout. I don't know how long it took, but it was a while. But it's well worth. Look at that. It's way brighter and cleaner. Look at this, yellow, and that one bright. So yeah, so far I recommend. Now is mid-June 2021, so I don't know, 6 years from now, a year from now, but so you're gonna see on the description. But yeah, it looks good so far, and I don't think we're gonna have any problems. I really hope this helps you. Thanks, Jorn. It's my buddy from the Canarians Island, and he had a Supra. He crashed, and he's building another one. And he was like, "Dude, why don't you clear your lights with this and see how it is? Because nobody does it." And he was curious. I said, "Okay, I'll do it." So, yeah, boom, it works, man. Yeah, it works beautifully. Check that out, and then check that out. And that's it. That's it. Please don't forget to subscribe. I have more videos coming. I am on the process of moving houses and some changes, and you know, you guys are gonna figure it out later. But for now, don't forget to subscribe. Watch out for the next videos, and I'll catch you later.
Look past my face. Se status, amiris a McDonald's.